Hey, Realtor! Getting real estate leads is like baking a cake, if you know the recipe. Below this video, you can download our free report that gives you our step-by-step blueprint. Download today and get the same results as other agents we have been able to help.
Hi, this is Dwayne Roberts. I'm with Robin. She's one of our students here at Modern Digital Agent. Robin, how long have you been on the platform now?
About a month and a half.
Okay, and what have been your experiences in the last month and a half?
Well, in the last month and a half, I've learned that the power of marketing is in your hands. You show us how to do it. And the Facebook platform is amazing. And it really does generate leads for us.
So you've been in the platform for about a month and a half now. Do you know approximately how many leads that you've received in that time period?
I do. I believe the number is 131, but I go a little slower, I think, than what you could do. I like to run a campaign. I like to pause it to work all the leads. Then in a week to 10 days later, I'll run it again. I could probably have a lot more leads.
Let me ask you a question. Out of all the leads that you've received in a month and a half, how many of those are going to be rock solid deals that you know if you follow up on is going to end up resulting into a closing, or deals that you currently have under contract right now?
Got it. Well, the good news is that I have 2 ratified contracts right now. Settlements will be at the end of April. Those were my first and second bot leads that I really was able to massage and take through the process and get them to ratified status. I have a bunch of people that I know if I keep working with, educate, coach, keep building that relationship, that I will easily probably have 20 of those turn into sales in this year, I would say maybe.
I've been doing this for a long time, okay, as a broker, working teams and everything else. And when I first looked at the system, I said, well, one or two things is going to happen. Either it's going to work tremendously or it's not, because I pretty much have tested out everything. And the minute I opened it up and saw what steps you needed to take, I said, you have figured out how to save me more than $100,000 in a system that I would need in order to do what I always wanted to do, which is continuously send leads across the country right from the beach. I went through the steps myself, and normally I'll have an admin do it because I'm not a techie. And so I said, if this is simple and can get done, and if I can do it, then anybody can do it. And I sat there, went through those 9 steps, got to section number 9, hit a wall, and then I found the 24-hour chat button, and whoever's on the other side of that helped me right through it. So thanks for having that in place, because I know it wasn't you, because it was about 2 a.m. and it was there, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm in business now. I turned on the switch on, today is Friday, that was Saturday night.
Okay, so it's been 6 days. How many leads have you got in the last 6 days?
There are 208 and counting, and my 2 team members who I've been giving the leads to are still working new ones that are coming through right now.
Angela, the first question I want to ask you is, how do you feel about the technology as far as needing the experience and the technical know-how to do something like this? Do you think that it was easy to learn, or do you think that it was something that was complicated for you?
It was easy once I figured out how to, just talk to people.
Do you feel that the training has helped you at all learn how to communicate with these people?
Immensely. The support that I've had in the group, just chatting with other people in the group, has been an enormous help. And it helped me figure out I'm overthinking things. Don't overthink things. It's that whole KISS thing. Keep it simple, stupid.
Talk to me about your experiences once you have initiated inside of RE Bot Academy. Let's talk about just say the first couple weeks. How many leads do you think came through the system?
Well, I know that as of today, I have 111 active subscribers. I don't know the exact numbers as far as who came in and who left, but I have 111 active subscribers that have opted in and have not opted out and have not unsubscribed. Out of that 111, I've had 7 appointments, 7 people with lenders, and 2 people that have asked me to call after the holidays.
When you passed your real estate exam, do you think that it properly prepared you to learn how to do this business?
Absolutely not.
What did you experience?
Absolutely not.
And how did things change once you got into our program and we were able to coach you?
A lot. I started thinking not just inside the box, but outside the box, as far as not doing everything always so traditional. And this bot has been a huge game changer. Totally what you've done for me in the last 4 months has changed my life.
In which ways?
I'm a little more confident when I'm talking to people. Not that I wasn't confident about what I was talking about, just I'm able to engage and ask more pointed questions to get to the answers that are needed to get them to where they need to be and where they are now.
How do you feel about real estate going into 2019 over what you've experienced the previous 3 years since you've been licensed?
I feel that this year is going to be the turning point of my real estate career. And that my husband, God love him, will have a little more faith in my abilities at this point. Because, you know, he struggles because he sees me struggle. And every time I try something new, and let me tell you, I've tried a lot of things. And the best thing I ever did was reaching out to you.
Tell me about what you've tried in the past that you had limited results with.
Just, you know, part of it is basically most of it. Let me rephrase that. All of it is because I was new and nobody told me, and nobody said, you don't have to buy everything. You don't have to do everything. And, I really put myself on I'm not going to purchase a program. I'm not going to jump into anything until I've researched, until I've done. That's why it took me so long to reach out to you because I was doing a lot of research because I've been burned and stuff in the past. And I was tired of spending money and not getting anything out of it. And I know that anytime I can send you a message, say, hey, I'm having trouble with this. And you can tell me in 5 minutes what I need to do. And you've been a complete blessing.
Said, hey, you're live. What happened within the next 4 or 5 days?
Oh my God. My phone, probably every few minutes was buzzing. Cause I don't have my phone on, I have my phone on silent and vibrate. Because I don't know when I'm going to be with a client, because we all work, and I work new construction, and I happen to be on site. And my coworker that was sitting across from me, she goes, "What's that?" And I go, "It's my bot. Don't worry about it." She goes, "You're what?" And I go, "My bot. Don't worry about it."
Value you as one of our clients, and never feel that you're bugging us at all. We are here all the time to help you become.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You've proven that many times to me. So I appreciate it. Oh, it was like, I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. Damn you, Dwayne. But thank you.
Hi, this is Dwayne Roberts, and I'm here with Assad right now. He's one of my students here at RE Bot Academy. Assad, tell everyone what you think about the program so far as the bot is concerned and how that has changed your business.
First of all, I'm going to say thank you to Mr. Dwayne Roberts for mentoring me and kind of getting me where I was to where I am now. So it's all because of your, training and helping me and supporting me. And so I'm just following your lead.
Since you've started the program, approximately how many free leads have you come into your system through the marketing methods that we teach?
So I have over 100 leads, so in quite a few engaged clients and a few in escrow. So
you said my magic word. You said escrow. So that means you got some deals cooking. So tell me about those deals. What kind of deals were they? How much money are you going to end up making off of this?
So They're mostly buyers. I have one in the ballpark 250. There are a few more close to 300s, and yeah, a couple of them 200. So like everybody have their heroes. So you are, to me, you are my heroes are the ones in the marketing and profession. So you are one of my big heroes, like Russell Bronson and ClickFunnels. I tried ClickFunnels. That's when I do Realtor.com, Zillow, and I tried with them. Truly, I did. Trust me, I have my fair share of those programs.
I got one final question for you. When it comes to the investment in a course like something like this, I wanted to make this course extremely affordable for the masses, for the average agent who just needs a break, for the average agent who's sick and tired of spending money on Zillow or Realtor.com. You mentioned before that you spent hundreds and thousands of dollars on coaches. Let me ask you a question, and I just want a real honest, sincere answer here. With what I've put together so far, what do you feel that my time is worth as a coach and the system that I put together is worth? What would be a reasonable price tag that anyone should realistically expect to pay for something like this?
So just to get a coach like Dwayne Roberts yourself, I mean, a celebrity coach like Mr. Roberts himself, you're talking about something in the ballpark with one-on-one or even group coaching, $6,000 to $10,000 ballpark figure for. I'm not talking about months of coaching. I'm talking about hours of coaching, maybe less than 20 hours of one-to-one coaching or group coaching. So that's the kind of you guys should be lucky that you have Dwayne Roberts himself have a system for you. As far as the bot and the system concerned, it's priceless.
Wayne Roberts with RE Bot Academy, and I'm here with Tan right now, and she has been on the system less than 24 hours, and she's one of my favorite student stories because I'll let her tell you herself. Tan, what's happened in the last 24 hours?
So basically in the last 24 hours, I have gotten over 200, I think we're at 247, 243, somewhere along in there, leads of people who are booking on the calendar for a home buyer consultation. So we're doing them in 15-minute increments, getting them in and out. I'm having to pull in some extra lenders that I haven't used before because my lenders are swamped trying to pull them. So amazing results. So I've never gotten over 200 leads, close to 250 leads in a 24-hour period. So.
Now, Tan, going into 2019 with this new strategy, do you feel that this can help you counterpult to have the best year you've ever had?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Tell the audience what you think about this program from a lending perspective so far.
I believe, when I first saw it, I thought it must be a joke, right? So I didn't believe it until the leads start coming in, and I checked on the profile to make sure that they are real. And I took over the first few leads. I didn't touch it. I wait for the bot to answer. But after a few 4 or 5 leads, we start to take over. Then we answer the leads ourselves. And yes, we got engaged. So it's a matter of conversion. So the leads are there. It's good. It's working.
Let me ask you a question. You've seen some digital internet marketers out there. You and I have been communicating now for a little bit over a year. Tell me about what you feel about what modern digital agent brings to the marketplace.
I never saw that many leads coming out, of the gate like 2-3 days like that. I use Jason Wardrobe, also MKJ. I use Client Activist, Josh Friendly, and tempted to use Glenn Wise and Chris Real, but the reviews are not that good, and so I'm stunned.
How long have you been in the business now?
20 years plus.
Okay, so you're a seasoned veteran. So I would assume that you've pretty much done every lead program that's existed since the internet came out, right?
Every time I see the word lead, I jump on it because trust me, I try a lot. I spend thousands and thousands of dollars working on lead program and everything like that. And at the end of the day, it's all about engagement and brand yourself and also follow up. That's it.
Everything that you've experienced in this industry with a 20-year seasoned veteran, and you've seen all kinds of programs come and go. You've seen programs work and other programs just take your money. Now that you just had a little taste of what this program can do, appointments directly on your calendar, honestly, with what other people are charging for courses, what should be the retail price of this course? What is this course worth to you right now?
Minimum $9.99.
Hey, realtor! Getting real estate leads is like baking a cake, if you know the recipe. Below this video, you can download our free report that gives you our step-by-step blueprint. Download today and get the same results as other agents we have been able to help.